Hello, this is Roger, Low Vision Product Manager here at HumanWare, and today I would like to show you another way to move files from an old Mac Connect or Connect 12 tablet using Prodigy to a new tablet. And we've previously done this using a cable and dragging files onto a computer in a folder and then dragging them onto a new device. Today we're going to do so using a micro SD card. So to the right of my tablet here, there is a slot that I can insert this in, and you might have an adapter to use. I do not, so I'll just plug it in there. And now I'll use my 4 or 5 finger press and hold on my screen to go to Android. In the left over here, you'll see a little Explorer icon that I'll tap on, and this will open up. And now I can see that my SD card is there and the internal memory for my tablet. So my SD card is currently blank. We'll level back up again and we'll tap on internal memory. And this will show us everything that is on our tablet. Now you can copy many things from here over from one tablet to another, but we are specifically interested in our Prodigy files, things that we've captured using Prodigy that we want to move over. So I'm going to tap on Prodigy here. You'll see 6 folders available. However, only 5 of these can be copied. Your books folder cannot be copied. This folder contains files that you've obtained from online repositories like Bookshare, and those files have digital rights assigned to them that are specific to the device to which they are downloaded. Therefore, they cannot be moved from one device to another. So unfortunately, you'll have to re-download those from Bookshare or whatever source you've got them from. However, the remaining files, things that you've taken images of or created notes and so forth, those can all be copied. So the easiest way to do this is to tap on this multi-icon up here, and then we'll tap on each of the folders that we can copy. And you'll notice that the font is changing style. It's outlined with a black on a white text. So we've got them all selected, and then we will tap on Editor. Here, what we're going to do is copy these files. So I'll tap on copy. I know they've been copied because my font went back to the normal font. And now I'll tap either level up or home. Let's go with home. Now I will go to my SD card. Again, it's empty. And I'll tap on editor once more. And here the option that's available to me is to paste. So I'm going to paste these files over and allow them to copy onto my SD card. So our copy is finishing up, and we can see that it is finished. There's the files on my SD card. They're all in place there, so it looks like we're good to go with that. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of my Explorer, bring Android back up, and then I'll come to the right over here and remove my SD card from my tablet and set that aside. And then the next step is to go ahead and take this old tablet out again. These do not have to be in the stand. I'm just doing it for convenience sake to demonstrate this to you. And I'll bring in my new tablet, put that in the stand, tap the power button and get things going here. So put in my PIN number and activate things. And here we are again in Prodigy on my new tablet. Use the 5-finger press to come out onto the Android operating system. And I'm going to go ahead and insert that micro SD card into the slot, which is in the same location on my new Mac Connect or Connect 12 tablet. So we'll press that in place. What we can do is drag down from the top here. And what we can do here is drag down from the top, and we'll see that our disk has been inserted. We'll tap on that, and that's going to open up. What do you want to do? It's going to say open with files. That's what I used last time. So I can't choose files by Google because that's not where we want these to go. I want to open these with files to bring them onto my device specifically. Google is going to be in the cloud. So we'll go ahead and choose just once for today's demonstration, and that's going to open this up. And we will see files that are on our SD card. So there are files that we want to move over. So let's click on distance, images, text, share, and notes. Those are the 5 files that we copied onto our disk, and we want to move those. So I've got them all selected. I'm going to go up in the upper right here, and I'm going to tap on copy to. It's going to open, and the default location that's going to try to push you to is your downloads folder. Let's tap this icon up here on the left with 3 stacked lines and actually say, let's go to our Connect 12 v2.1. So now we are looking at the internal software on our Connect 12 in this case, or our Matt Connect if we have a Matt Connect tablet. So we see the folders here. Here's Prodigy. That's the folder that we were working with on our old tablet. That's where we want it to. So these are blank folders right now. So it won't matter if we just copy over the top of those. So I'm sorry, I clicked on that 3 dots up there. What I meant to do is come over here on the bottom. So non-example of what to do. We want to copy here. So let's tap on copy. And you can see down here, copying 5 items is now taking place. And is underway. So those files are being copied over to our new tablet. Let's tap our home button here and go back over to our Prodigy. And again, this was an empty system when I started today. So let's see if those files are showing up here yet. Oh, there we go. So there's a nice folder of my puppy Wiley showing up in my Prodigy now. So all of my files have now been passed over to my new device, and I am off to the races. Again, you will need to download those files from your Books application as well. So please view our other video about downloading books and so forth, and view other videos about how to use Prodigy to its greatest potential. Please be in touch with us with any ideas for improvement or other videos. We love to hear from you, and thank you for watching our video today.